Dear medical coders, do you know a single code can impact patient care? Well, me Madhura is going to tell you about or dive you deep into a crucial world of medical coding. Do you know what is medical coding? So medical coding, they are the secret translators of the medical world. They take doctors' notes and diagnose them and convert them into universal medical codes. These codes are then used for billing purposes, healthcare trends, and even research. So, why is medical coding important? First, it ensures proper reimbursement of medical services. Second, it also helps to maintain patient privacy. Third, facilitates data analysis for better healthcare delivery. Want to learn more about medical coding? For that, you need to register to our website, log in, register, and of course, subscribe to our channel to know more about LLRI. Thank you so much.